So today we are at Glutes Super Recharge, wherein SOG Esports National Championship is being held, and we have a very special guest with us, Shri Ashok Dhyanchandji, ji, who is also the Vice President of SOG Federation. Sir, welcome. We would like to welcome you to the championship today, and would like to ask you, how are you feeling, sir?
Oh, it's a great feeling for me. It's definitely a new game. I used to play on the ground, but this game is we are going to have it in the halls, in the big sports centers, and it's an upcoming game. I think it's one of the best way to indulge yourself into these sports, because I think esports is going to have the importance of the game is going to be like if you win the medal, like you are going to win national games, Asian games, and worldwide. So it's going to be happen in the future, according to me, like that. So it's a wonderful game, and I'm watching it. I'm associating with this sports for last 1 year, and it's a great experience for me too, under the chairmanship of Shri Nandan Jha Sahab, President Shri Shankar Agrawal ji sir, Gusharan Sahab is there, such an experienced player. So we think that is going to take place in the world, not in world, but in India also. We are having importance of this game. We have gone through the state championship, national championship, so international championship. We are going to have it. So I think I should say all the best to the Federation, SOG, and they are doing very well for this, and I congratulate the team also.
Thank you, sir. As you say, the esports is expanding in our country very widely, and as you say, we have Tekken and football here. We would like to know the long-term vision of SOG National Championship here.
Yeah, including football also, that's a wonderful thing. It's a field game, of course, one of the best game in the world. And I've noticed that lots of youngsters are participating in the tournament.
Yes.
And it's a mind game. It's a mind game, and we know chess, we know your other games like carom board, but chess is one of the best game in the world. And Madam Humpy, she used to be our you can say
Brand ambassador, sir.
brand ambassador of this SOG Federation. So SOG is doing very well in India, as well as in having the importance in the worldwide also. So it's an upcoming game, and we must think how to bring this game into the mind that is a pure mind game, nothing else. And by winning the championship, I heard that the person who won the tournament, the gold medal, the SOG Federation's committee went to his house and honored him. So this is the way we should treat the players, and it's given the importance to the player also, as well as to the game also.
Thank you, sir. Very well said. Just one last question. As we have 2 games currently in our SOG National Championship, are SOG Federation diversifying into more games as well? Are we thinking to expand more games in the championship?
We must think that as much as we can introduce the new games, and national championship is going to be held here. We have unveiled the trophy today, wonderful trophy. So I think the message must have gone to the participant that importance of this game and the tournament is high. It's not that we are just playing, participating. They should think that it's going to be a very worldwide having the importance of this game, and they must play according. And I wish all the best to all the participants.
Thank you, sir. We are honored to have you here. So we have Ashok Dhyanchandji, Vice President of SOG Federation. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.